Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the WSOP mobile app on your iPhone or Android device. So if you're actually using an Android device, go over to the Google Play Store, but as I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to hit this App Store button, the blue one in the middle of my home screen. And then from there, go down to the search page in the bottom right, and up at the top, start typing in WSOP, press search. And there we go, WSOP Poker. The first one's an advertisement. I always skip past the first ads, and even if it is the same company, I always go to the first organic listing anyway, and it's this one right here, WSOP Poker, Texas Hold'em. And then on the right-hand side for me, there's a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. This is because I've downloaded this app on my App Store account in the past. Not maybe necessarily this specific device, maybe another device. But if you've never downloaded the app on your App Store account, it will basically have a button that says Get. It says GET. And you want to either press the Get button or the cloud icon, and that will start downloading the app on your device. And there we go guys, WSOP Poker has fully downloaded successfully on this device. From within the App Store, you can press the open button and that will launch the app. So let's do that. WSOP would like to send you notifications, don't allow. And it's downloading everything. Just give it a little second to completely run.